Today I'm going to see if I can spice up these stools, I think they are called, and as you can see they are pretty bad used or worn, but they are not so beaten up, so hopefully we could do something nice with these. I'm thinking black and perhaps some white color on the top. Okay. As you can see, I have painted all the parts, and now it's time to assemble the stools again and see how the result will be. Hopefully it will be pretty nice. I actually chose not to paint these parts. They will actually be fitted on the inside. Hopefully it will look pretty nice against this black color. Okay. This is the result, and they are pretty decent, I think so. Some scratches already, unfortunately. Now I'm just gonna attach these feet, and I don't know if you can see here, this is the way they should look like. Unfortunately, two of the feet are in very bad condition. I don't know if you could see the difference here. They should look like this, but this one, actually two of the feet actually looks pretty bad. So I need to find a way how to if I can replace them in some way. But overall, pretty good, pretty satisfied. And one really good thing is that you could put them on top on each other, and they're really nice to sit upon. Okay, thank you.